like Sesame Street, cause you kinda take them style.
Yeah.
And you know for take people style and something.
Yeah.
Like people they pray for that and say
No, because Ewa no. It's like this now is where I like to go keep it commercial. Something where simple and people say, like, uno depend the fixer chat me and he must say, what was Elephant thinking when he did Don't You Love? Baby girl, how this dog make you feel? I'm your man. You're my wife, girl. Panam, pam, panam. You don't have to worry, cause you're the one in my life. This is like musically me. Musically, like that's why me it's so big. If you know when me say dance all night, me a DJ plus me have like a singing with it.
Yeah.
When me as a youth I watch Love Boat and me and me say, but it was for my album. So me say, true me I do album for Atlantic them now. I want to do some different things. So me now my mind just there. It's like how Skilly Bang think. If your Skilly mind him challenge him talent, when me I say, if Atlantic would I just take the record here and make we just get the clearance and make we do a video, tell me say this now go turn head. So I just me to look the video of a Port Royal. I never Fever Jamaica. The idea was when me hearing it, me say, suppose me switch this and go, you're my wife, girl. Don't you love how this dog make you feel? So me just a try. Me just like, we are born bad man. Bad man. When R. Kelly say, I am a mountain. I am a touchy, I am a swift wind, sweeping the country. I mean, say no R. Kelly, bad man, a bad man.
To the chorus.
I'm with a rad man, no, bad man, a free man. Bro, when me do that, you know, yo, bad man, no mash up my life.
No mash up the face.
Yo, bad man, no ramp nor play. Say where Jamaica stay, yeah. Bad man, no play. You just pass me the AK. Anytime you buck up in a real bad man, the fix tell them fi hold them faith and give me friend now go some way.
Run the track.
My gun tall up to the sky. You know like the
go
fix go
fuck your woman dry.
Bullet. Yeah, and bro. When you go there, sir.
Yeah.
When me come off of the plane, them say, okay, the biggest song in New York, you know, bad man. I say,
yeah.
What happened? Them say, yeah man, bad man. I was watching the comedian guys them apart with Noah Power. I do an interview and the man say, yo, R. Kelly, I tell them, I say, my God, the kid in Jamaica, Elephant, flip my song, bad man. The man flip it better than me, the man. And I hit, make R. Kelly become a fan of me and send for me.
Yeah.
Because me I say, if R. Kelly did just do this and just say, if me I go break it down, the big song, my way, me that just say, bad man. And we know, I'm going to keep it on the side. I'm going to say left side, forward, build this. Anytime I bug up in, I'm going to just say, I produce it, I'm going to just give stone love it. See him like when me hear the lady, hey! Tie. Hear my cry, oh Lord, and attention to my. I mean, no. Minister, I'm a sitting and I say, if the lady just flip this and say, you're too bad mind. We are born bad mind. So we
have an active mind. Like bro, when I listen to song, I say, oh, could I flip this?
That's all. No, because musically,
learn from it too.
I find out that, all right, for instance, why Buju is one of the baddest DJ? Because when you hear Buju say, only Rasta can liberate the people over here. And then Buju can come and I wanna be loved. And we say, no, Buju Ghana, I want different level of DJ in it. You have to have that little melody, the melody there. Why Sizzler? Rise to the occasion. I'm not regular DJ in that.
No.
You can't do the bad. And the fast. And them thing there. bro, you have to have that little singing thing the boy, because at the end of the day, when you go cross, and when the bigger head them in a music, world music at 97, everybody I listen, them know say this song the pan key, this song have potential to go places and them thing there. I've seen enough dance before. Remember, I could have said, I've seen enough dance before. But nope. I've seen enough dance before, but I never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before, but I don't want to come top the list. All right, real bad man, where people pants, pon the river. So it they up there, singing key, it they up there, it, you know, and thing and the melody, the music, the key, and all these things. So it comes with it, and musically, me like listen songs with melody and thing, because I know that the more the melody and the more musical it is, the further it go. You understand?
What would you say the people them will call you a pirate? Because some people say you're a pirate.
Pirate? The African, bro.
At time, he used to call you Jack Sparrow.
All right.
If you're a pirate,
watch you know. Watch you know. All right. I'm going to teach you something. I'm going to teach you something.
Essentially what you're doing is something.
Me say me going to teach you something. Me bring that in a music where you flip. How much Jack Sparrow they about now? Right now, if one African song drop a 50 people a year, flip it. Bloop, laugh, cough, blast, everything.
Yep.
So what I'm trying to show you, that's how when me bring in a music. You see me? Remember when Richie Stevens came to me and said, one time I'm going to Richie and him say, Ellie, you know, say you need to stop flip the people them song, because I'm say
like how you earn, like how you go.
Richie, me just have one and me flipping now. And him say, oh, go. And me say, elephant energy. Roll up in my big fat black Cadillac. Number one. Them they help carve and make Elephant Man career, because me couldn't go nowhere and no DJ them there, and I became, and that start turn the American hip-hop DJ them head towards me.
True.
And at that made it one.
Because them do it.
When you say, he made have to do the Spice and Cartel Ray. Seeing? And I me first start do that. Big up Addy, big up Cartel. Cartel say, who teach me to do that? Elephant teach me to do that. And Cartel and Spice go, shot. And it make Liquor John, the whole of them forward, perp. This one if you do then, dance and take it to them signal. When you hear Ludacris do my thing, and you hear them say, thunderclap, I made it for do it. I made it at Japan and Usher say, Ellie, you know what?
Yeah.
So this is what happened. Yeah. One time the music coming at you. Me was the one was supposed to do the dance and signal playing thunderclap, but me there at Japan and Usher couldn't wait because my mother want drop the album and Little John do my part. And when me forward from Japan, Usher said, please let Ellie go on the rhythm. And I say, give me it. Perp. This one if you do then, dance and number one. Then Little John called me and said, Elephant, I need you on this track. And I say, oh, it go. And he must say, Elephant, no, big girls, if you want get trim, welcome to the dancing gym. That's the one for Usher rhythm. And then, this one if you do then, that's how it Eastside 369. Damn, you're fine. Number one again. And me I say, wait there. I mean the whole of, every one of them I come for the whole of them. Elephant, Mariah Carey, Debrat. And me boss, when me, hey, that when them Daddy Yankee, Pitbull, me man.
You are the first person.
Me send them a road, young them. Me send them a road, man.
Usher and Chris Brown up on the same stage at one time. I think you are the first person to make that go on.
Chris, me and Chris are so brother, real friend. Nicky, so the whole of them, and you know, me just feel good. Like. With up on BT Awards and Jamie Foxx see me and just pull over him car and run out and say, Elephant, you can't go in your trailer, you know, give me a... So yeah, Jamie, that's the respect what them have to. We have dancehall artists because them have we as killers in dancehall music. When it come to shows, we lost these people. When the man them a watch BET Awards, we were the opening act. And when the white man were do the stage monitoring and the owner for BT, see the rehearsal were being in me. I think named Bobby Kanda, Jabba, Shaka Demus and Pliers and Dan Penn. When them see that, them put we to close the show.
Yeah.
When everybody there Jamaica call, hey, you don't know what I perform, I'm gonna scam way. Me I say scam, and we are close.
I don't know.
When we run out of that,
Legendary
I think,
performance.
hey, you no play dancehall, bro. No play dancehall. So that's why me, I feel just give thanks to the Almighty. Say, Him bless me, and him did make my part clear.
Yeah, you
and
find
set
your
my
lane,
history.
you find your formula.
So when me I try to tell you, when man come and I call name and rap, bro, you can call name, but the end of the day, bro, when you're blessed and when that thing is set for you, remember this now no buck up. No buck up no in a this, and this is not scamming now try rob people. This a natural rob and talent are we turning heads all over. We have America and everywhere lack. Yo, Funk Master Flex and the whole of them. Tell me which show me not do. Funk Master Flex and the whole of them. Tell me which show me not do. Tell me which what the artist name when me and them not do a collab. What the bro, I'm telling you, man, I have to give thanks, man. I have to give thanks.
Never actually ever run legal trouble with the flipping of the songs?
No, never.
Okay.
That's why I tell you that to how it connect. I've never look. The amount of soul I forget never sacked me down. Never sacked me down. The problem is they love it.
Yeah.
They want to meet me and that make them meet me and Eminem DJ. Call Eminem and say, see the kid here when me I tell you about when name Elephant Man. When me flip on Eminem melody and shot and Dr. Dre say, yo, who is Elephant? I want to know him. Atlantic say, yo, we're sending you guys LA go make you do. Dr. Dre gonna do a song for your album. Oh, I'm telling man, yo, bro, and I'm telling man, I should have carried my plaque come show you, man. My big gold plaque, man. I hold it.